What's up guys, I'm here with the All Things Tech, and in this video we're going to be talking about 5 useful command prompts that you may or may not know. So stay tuned and I will see you on the other side. Alright, kicking things off with our number 5, we have ipconfig. This is your go-to command for quickly finding out your computer's IP address and other network configuration details. We're going to go ahead and hit the Windows key, type in CMD, and we're going to run as admin. And I'm going to make this a bit bigger so you can see. Let's type in IP CONFIG, hit enter, and it's going to show me my local IP address, my subnet mask, and my default gateway. Now if you hit up on the key, type space, / type in all, hit enter, and it will show me even more details. Coming in at our number 4 is a great command for checking the health of your hard drive, chkdsk. If your computer is acting a bit sluggish or experiencing weird file errors, running chkdsk can identify and sometimes even fix these issues. chkdsk C drive /F, and we're gonna go ahead and hit yes. And we got that message because right now our system drive is in use, and so it will take effect the next time we do a reboot. Number 3 pick is a real lifesaver if you ever needed to find your computer's serial number, especially if the sticker is worn off or inaccessible. This command is wmic BIOS get serial number. This command uses the Windows Management Instrumentation command line, wmic, to query your system's BIOS for its serial number. This is incredibly useful for warranty claims, technical support, or just keeping track of your hardware inventory. It's going to be wmic BIOS get serial number. No digging around in your system menus or flipping your laptops over. Simple and effective. All right, moving on to number 2, system info. The system info command does exactly what it sounds like. It provides you with a detailed list of your system's configurations. This includes your operating system version, build number, processor information, RAM details, network card information, installed hotfixes, and a whole lot more. So let's go ahead and type it in. SYSTEM info, all one word, hit enter, and boom. Now if you want to save this into a particular file, you could go ahead and add some more to it. Hit the up key, greater than sign, system, whatever you want to name it, .txt, hit enter. There you go. And finally, my number 1 most useful CMD command is sfc space / scannow. That stands for System File Checker. This command scans all of your protective operating system files and replaces corrupt, incorrect, and damaged versions with the correct ones. Now it's easy to confuse this one with number 4, chkdsk. Think of it this way. Chkdsk makes sure your filing cabinet is in good shape, while SFC makes sure the documents inside aren't corrupted. If you're experiencing random crashes, getting weird error messages, or parts of Windows just aren't working, running System File Checker should be one of your first steps. Let's go sfc space / scannow. This scan could take a little while to complete, but once it's done, it'll tell you if it found and repaired any problems. If it did fix things, it's a good idea to restart your computer afterwards. Honestly, this single command can solve a surprising number of Windows issues and has saved me from having to do a full reinstall more than once. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Did I miss any of your favorite command prompts? Make sure to comment them below, like, sub, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.